Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Competitive Botany. In this video we are going to see the ecology question paper that, uh, that was conducted by ICFRE in the year 2019 for the Scientist-B recruitment. Some of my subscribers have asked this question paper, so I am doing this video. So let's see the questions one by one. Let's see the first question. Which of the following impurities is easiest to remove from the wastewater? Options are bacteria, colloids, dissolved solids, suspended solids. The correct option is D is the correct option. Okay, let's see the next question, second question, that is, in a seawater greenhouse, options are seawater is used for irrigating salinity tolerant plants. Seawater is subjected to reverse osmosis to produce fresh water to irrigate the plants. Seawater is evaporated using solar heating produce fresh water to irrigate the plants. Seawater is converted to fresh water by ion exchange and used to irrigate plants. The correct option is C. C is the correct option. That means seawater is evaporated using solar heating to produce fresh water to irrigate the plants. Let's see the next question. That is third one. The evergreen trees. Options are do not shed leaves, shed their leaves all the year round, do not show leaf senescence, shed their leaves at night. The correct option is B is the correct option. Shed their leaves all the year round. Next question. The Earth Summit at Rio de Janeiro in 1992 resulted in, options are establishment of IUCN, compilation of Red List, Convention on Biodiversity, Man and Biosphere Program. The correct option is C. That is, Convention on Biodiversity is the correct option. Let's see the next question. Breathing roots of mangroves are called as. Options are velamin roots, pneumatophores, coralloid roots, adventitious roots. The correct option is B is the correct option. The breathing roots of mangroves are called as pneumatophores. Let's see the next question. Diminishing of the gene pool of an endangered species when individuals die off before reproducing is called. Options are gene flow, genetic pollution, genetic drift, genetic erosion. The correct option is fourth one is the correct option, that is nothing but genetic erosion. Let's see the next question. In the soil food web, the nematodes are at the, options are first trophic level, second and third trophic level, third trophic level, third and fourth trophic level. The correct option is B is the correct option. Second and third trophic level. Let's see the next question. Polymorphism is, options are presence of a number of different alleles resulting in more than one phenotype in a population, morphological differences produced due to environmental differences, occurrence of polyploidy resulting in different phenotypes, a number of different genes resulting in one phenotype. Correct option is A is the correct option. That is presence of a number of different alleles resulting in more than one phenotype in a population. Let's see the next question. Ramsar Convention refers to the conservation of. Options are deserts, wetlands, agricultural lands, forests. Correct option is Ramsar Convention is related to conservation of wetlands. B is the correct option. Next question. A member of a food web whose removal may have a cascade of effects on the community composition transmitted by a chain of strongly interacting links is called. Options are foundation species, keystone species, framework species, indigenous species. The correct option is second one, that is keystone species. Let's see the next question. A semi-natural, managed or protected natural area extensively used for the cultural landscapes wherein biodiversity is enhanced while also assuring maintenance of production systems providing goods and services to people is called. Options are novel system, Arcadian's landscape, designer ecosystem, functional group. The correct option is B is the correct option, that is Arcadian landscape. Let's see the next question, that is 12th one. In a parasitic food chain, the shape of the pyramid of number is. Options are upright, linear, inverted, not certain. The correct option is the third one, that is inverted. Let's see the next question. Ready reference on key environmental data for over 200 economies is found in. Options are red data book, green data book, blue data book, black data book. The correct option is B, that is green data book. Let's see the next question. Biologically mediated habitats are those. Options are habitats created and modified by biological activity, habitats that living marine structures offer to other organisms, habitats artificially created by human beings, habitats that are largely agricultural. Correct option is the second one, that is habitats that living marine structures offer to other organisms. Let's see the next question. Which one of the following is used for controlling gaseous pollutants? Options are incineration, adsorption, absorption, precipitation. The correct option is, so here maybe something went wrong while framing this question, and marks were awarded regardless of the options the candidate choose. Okay, so marks will be given to all the candidates. So let's see the next question. In the following food chain, grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. Frog is at the level of. Options are primary consumer, tertiary consumer, primary producer, secondary consumer. The correct option is fourth one, that is secondary consumer. Okay, let's see the next question. Alpha diversity is the diversity present. Options are within community, between communities, among ranges of communities, all of these. The correct option is A. Alpha diversity is the diversity present within a community. Let's see the next question. Wood chip bioreactors are used for? Options are production of ethanol from wood chips, pulp production, removal of nitrate from the water, reduction of alkalinity in water. The correct option is third one. Removal of nitrate from the water. Let's see the next question, that is 19th one. The functioning of the juice in India is regulated by. Options are Jew Outreach Organization, Central Jew Authority, National Biodiversity Authority, Wildlife Conservation Trust. The correct option is B, that is Central Jew Authority. Let's see the next question. With nitrogen enrichment of the soil, there is. Options are increase in fungal population, increase in bacterial population, increase in viral population, increase in arthropod population. The correct option is the second one, that is increase in bacterial population. Let's see the next question. The culmination stage of a vegetation development due to soil factors is called. Options are biotic climax, edaphic climax, topographic climax, climatic climax. The correct option is second one, that is edaphic climax. Let's see the next one. Which of the following is an important source of methane released into atmosphere? Options are wetlands, degraded forests, thermal power plant, wheat fields. The correct option is first one, that is wetlands. Next question. According to resource ratio hypothesis, the species dominance is determined by the relative availability of two resources, namely. Options are water and light, light and soil, light and nutrient, nutrient and water. The correct option is for this question also something went wrong while framing this question. So marks will be given to all the candidates. So next question. Ecotypes are, options are species specific to a particular type of ecosystem, an ecosystem specific to a particular species, intraspecific variants in a species arising due to different environmental conditions, intraspecific variants in a species which look similar under varying environments. The correct option is C. Nothing but intraspecific variants in a species arising due to different environmental conditions. Let's see the next one. Wildlife watching has. Options are consumptive use value, non-consumptive use value, indirect use value, bequest value. The correct option is second one, that is non-consumptive use value is the correct option. Next question. Dominant soil forming minerals are. Options are carbohydrates, oxides, hydroxides, silicates. The correct option is D, that is silicates. Next question. The height of the dominant portion of a forest stand at a specified standard age is commonly termed. Options are top height, predominant height, site index, growth index. The correct option is C is the correct option. C is the correct option. Let's see the next question. Phosphate pollution is caused by. Options are sewage and phosphate rock, sewage and agricultural fertilizers, phosphate rocks only, agricultural fertilizers only. The correct option is second one, that is phosphate rocks only. Sorry, sewage and agricultural fertilizers. So let's see the next question. Microproliferation is a method of propagation adopted in. Options are apples, mangoes, bamboos, pines. The correct option is third one, bamboos. Let's see the next one. Amount of energy moving from one feeding level to the next in the food chain is graphically represented as. Options are food web, energy pyramid, pyramid of productivity, pyramid of biomass. The correct option is B, energy pyramid. Let's see the next question. Photosynthesis is a. Options are supporting service, provisioning service, regulating service, cultural service. The correct option is supporting service is the correct option. Let's see the next question. Release of individuals into an existing population to increase its size and gene pool is called. Options are reintroduction, augmentation, introduction, genetic transformation. The correct option is B, that is augmentation is the correct option. Let's see the next question. The overall number of biological species in a biogeographic or climatic region, a landscape, or a specific ecosystem is called. Options are gene bank, metapopulation, species pool, natural capital. The correct option is C, that is species pool is. Next question. Mycorrhizae mobilize dash from soils to plants. Options are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, manganese. The correct option is the second one, that is phosphorus. Let's see the next one. Hidden costs are benefits that result from an economic activity of individuals or a society not directly involved in that activity are called as commodity value, usufruct rights, externalities, ecological footprint. The correct option is C, that is externalities. Let's see the next one. The most active land use frontier in the world with respect to forest loss and intensity of forest fires called as the R of deforestation is. Options are Indonesia and Papua New Guinea, southern and eastern part of Brazilian Amazon, northeast India and Myanmar, Congo Basin. The correct option is B, that is southern and eastern part of Brazilian Amazon. Let's see the next question. Ability of a plant to prevent or limit the establishment of herbivores is called. Options are tolerance, antibiosis, antixenosis, incompatibility. The correct option is antixenosis. Let's see the next question. The forest type group covering the largest area in India is tropical moist deciduous forest, tropical dry deciduous forest, tropical wet evergreen forest, Himalayan moist temperate forest. The correct option is tropical dry deciduous forest. Next question. The Bhopal gas tragedy was associated with carbon dioxide, methyl isocyanate, CFCS, methyl cyanate. The correct option is B, that is methyl isocyanate. Next question. Planting of neem and worshipping as abode of God. Devanarayan is practiced by. Options are Nairs of Kerala, Gurjas of Rajasthan, Metis of Manipur, Bills of Gujarat. The correct option is Gurjars of Rajasthan. Let's see the next one. The photograph of the Earth taken from Apollo 17 became the icon of environment conservation and is called. Options are green planet, blue marble, living planet, green ball. The correct option is blue marble. Let's see the next one. Which of the following trophic levels has the maximum energy? Options are decomposers, carnivores, herbivores, producers. The correct option is D. That is, producers is the correct option. Let's see the next one. The death of the cells of the plant at the site of attack by a pathogen initiated by the plant itself is called. Options are histogenic reaction, hypersensitive reaction, systemic resistance, immunization. The correct option is hypersensitive reaction. Next question. Phytoremediation is. Options are use of plants in medicine as remedies, use of plants for restoration of degraded forests, use of plants for removal of pollutants, use of plants for retention of soil water. The correct option is use of plants for the removal of pollutants. Next question. Water pollution is best assessed by determining. Options are DO and BOD, BOD and turbidity, DO and acidity, hardness and alkalinity. The correct option is first one, that is BO, DO and BOD. Let's see the next question. Parts of a landscape that are considered to be uniform are called. Options are ecotone, ecotope, functional group, reference ecosystem. The correct option is ecotope. Let's see the next question. Which of the following problem is not caused by combustion of fossil fuels? Options are acid rain, smog, greenhouse effect, eutrophication. The correct option is eutrophication. Let's see the next question. Excess of parenchyma is an adaptation of. Options are hydrophytes, epiphytes, xerophytes, mesophytes. The correct option is hydrophytes. Next question. Species area relationship is best described as below. Options are a particular species tends to occupy only a particular area. The larger the species in size, larger is the area required. As individuals in a species increase in number, the area occupied by them increases. The number of species found in an area increases with the size of area. The correct option is fourth one, that is the number of species found in an area increases with the size of the area. Let's see the next question. The system of planting crop strips alternating with rows of closely spaced tree or hedge species is called. Options are strip cropping, alley cropping, shelt, shelter belt, tangia. The correct option is alley cropping.